We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Corporal William Woods, who served in the United States Army. He served from 1942 to 1944 in Italy during World War II, where he earned 2 Bronze Stars. His hometown, Nevada, Missouri. We are proud to salute William Woods, our four-state hero.
Birthday list begins with a smiling Riley Hutto. Riley, that's a beautiful bow that you have there, kiddo. She has a birthday in Columbus.
All right, and we have Clara Ferguson. That looks like the graduate. Clara, 10 years old in Marin, Kansas.
On to the teenage years for Miss Carly Kirkwood. Carly, a happy 13th birthday in Welch.
All right, in Oswego, Kansas, turning 15 this year, Zaylain Baldwin celebrating another year older.
Into Girard, where Brecken Troike, little Girard Trojan pride right there. Happy birthday, Brecken.
All right, and Amber Jennings is turning the big 3-0 this year. Looking great there, Amber, in Jasper, Missouri.
Chad Pierce, he's got...
Yeah.
Good boy. Chad's got a 35th birthday right there. Happy fishing, Chad, in Altoona.
I want to know how he caught that. How he caught that catch. Yeah, that's a good catch. I like that. All right, Amy Coomes is 40 this year. Looking great there, Amy. Amy is in Pittsburgh.
Happy birthday, Amy. Lisa Lawrence, she has a 50th birthday. Lisa, I want you to have a marvelous day celebrating in Joplin.
And celebrating number 61 this year in Columbus, Kansas, it's Della Campbell. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
June Bridges, she is celebrating her 90th birthday. June, a very happy birthday to you in Diamond.
All right, Haley Bugni turning another year wiser.
Who that is?
There with her brood, yeah. Haley is in Frontenac.
Enjoy Christmas vacation, Miss Bugni. Happy birthday to you. Tammy Taylor, I want you to know that this birthday wish, Tammy, comes from your sister, Tina. I'm gonna guess that's Tina there in the picture. Happy birthday, Tammy.
I love that picture. And Connie Sponsel in Girard had a wonderful birthday on Saturday, I hope. I hope it was great. Happy birthday, Connie.
Happy birthday, Miss Connie. Les and Deb Green, they are celebrating their 46th anniversary. Les is the pastor at the Cowboy Church. Congratulations to the Greens in Parsons.
All right, and Shirley York, our graphic artist Will York's grandmother, celebrating birthday number 85 this year. Looking wonderful, and what a great cake there in Pittsburgh. Shirley?
Happy birthday, Shirley. I know Will's not behind that cake. Will, whatever family member put together that cake, tell them they did a good job from us, okay? Next time you can make grandma a cake. How about that? Jamie Best, a happy 19th birthday. Jamie is in Oswego. And Calvin and Marcia Bradney celebrating 52 years of marriage. Congratulations to the Bradneys in Columbus. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating on this June the 14th or whether you celebrated over the weekend as well. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of our KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
One final look over 7th and Range Line. Absolutely gorgeous start. There's a school bus cruising through. I don't know, maybe somebody's got a field trip from a day camp or something like that. Anyway, if the kiddos are out and about this morning, it's absolutely perfect because it's 62 degrees. It's pleasant throughout. Now, if the kiddos are out this afternoon, make sure they got sunscreen, make sure they find some shade, make sure they drink plenty of fluids because we got a hot one on our hands. Now, we are starting to see our humidity fall. That's a good thing. We like that. Now, even though it will elevate some fire concerns here later this afternoon, if we're all responsible, we'll be on the safe side. And as the humidity drops, remember, also makes those heat index readings a little bit more bearable, especially compared to what we had last week. Big ridge of the jet stream over the Canadian border, feeding everything from Big Sky Country down to the Gulf Coast. Above average temperatures for this time of year. You can tell everybody surrounding us actually a little bit warmer than what we are right now. And so it's an indicator that the entire Midwest in a little bit of a heat wave here up to the 90s later on this afternoon. About 91, 92 is where we're going to top out. But luckily, it's not going to feel too oppressive. Now, here's the thing. The mowing forecast, and I'll tell you what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably the best days to get it done. Now, the reason Thursday's in the fair category, it's not because we have to worry about rain or anything like that. It's because our humidity numbers are going to grow into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Father's Day Sunday. We'll be back, wrap up this edition of the KOM Morning News right after this.